Question number 3. Relation r equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 3. The x follows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and determine its domain and range. Domain is the values which are taken to x, that is x belongs to these elements 0 to 5. These are all included in the domain. So domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The domain set, the values which are taken to x are included in the domain set. And x is equal to 0 implies y equal to x plus 3, that is 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So 0 comma 3 is a one pair, which implies y equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So 1 comma 4 is a relation, and then x is equal to taking 2, which implies y equal to 2 plus 3, substituting here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we have 2 comma 5 another pair. Then x is equal to 3, substituting here y equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which includes 3 comma 6 is another pair. And x is equal to 4, substituting here y equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7, which implies 4 comma 7 another pair, and substituting x is equal to 5, which implies y equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So we have 5 comma 8 as another pair. So the relation is r equal to, the relation is r equal to 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7 and 4 comma 8. And this is the relation, the given relation listed here. R is equal to 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, etc. Now this is the relation. The domain is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the domain. We have written already, and this is the domain. And the range is nothing but, range set is the answers after substituting x, we'll get the y values are from included in the range set. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is known as the range set. Question number 4. Represent by an arrow diagram a graph set in roster form wherever possible. Given x comma y such that x is equal to y, x follows multiple of 2 with y, so x is equal to y, and the values of x are taken from 2, 3, 4, 5 in this set, and y are from 1, 2, 3, 4. This is given. So we should make a represent by an arrow diagram graph set in a roster form and wherever possible. Now, given the relation is x is equal to 2y here, so x is equal to 2y means x is equal to y. Now that x values are taken from the set 2, 3, 4, 5. Substituting x is equal to 2, we can simplify this. Y equal to x by 2, we can write as y equal to x by 2, and substituting x is equal to in this, we'll get y equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1, and x is equal to 3, substituting x is equal to the next element taken, substituting here y equal to x by 2. Now x is equal to 3 means y equal to 3 by 2, and then substituting x is equal to 4 because the next element is 4, substituting here y equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2, and x is equal to 5, which implies y equal to 5 by 2. Look at the codomain. This is known as domain, these are known as codomain because this is formed from x to y, so x is known as domain, and the second set is given is known as codomain. In this the y values will belong. Now the y values are 1, 2, 1 and 2 only belongs to set y. The remaining 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 is not belongs to y. Therefore, now we are drawing the arrow diagram here. So the arrow diagram is, it is from set x to y. X to y we are drawing. X contains 2, 3, 4, 5, and in y we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now x 2 follows 1, and 3 we don't have any image there. 4 follows 2, and 5 don't have image there. So 2 and 4 only have the images. Follows 2 follows the image 1 and 4 follows the image 2. Next one, graph. To draw a graph here, and this is taken as origin. We can plot the points 2, 1. There are pairs here 2, 1, and 3, 3 by 2 is not present there. 4, 2. There are only 2 pairs in this relation. So 2, 1 and 4, 2. You can plot these values here. This x value is taken from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plotting the points 2, 1 here, 2, 1, and 4, 2. 4 means it is 2, 4, 2. This is 4, 2, and this point is 2, 1, and this is the respective graph of the given points. And then a set in roster form. Third one, C, set in roster form. Set in roster form is x, y such that x is equal to 2y. It follows x is equal to y. That means we have only 2 pair of values. Here the set in roster form is r equal to, or the set bracket, we can use the set bracket equal to 2, 1 and 4, 2. The elements listed within the set bracket is known as roster form. So in the roster form we have 2, 1, 4, 2. This is the respective roster form. Subdivision number 2, x, y, pass x, y such that y follows x plus 3, where x and y are natural numbers less than 10. X and y are natural numbers less than 10. Therefore, x and y contains x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and y is also belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are both sets contains the natural numbers. It starts with 1 and it is less than 10. Both x and y follows 1 to 9 from the natural number set. Now we need to draw. First one is a arrow diagram, and second one is a graph, and the third one for a set in roster form by following the relation y equal to x plus 3. Now the arrow diagram is respective arrow diagram. Now before entering to arrow diagram, we should find the values of y here. Now x is equal to 1. The x values are 1 to 9 taken. Substituting here, 1 plus 3 is 4. X is equal to 1, y equal to 4. And x is equal to 2. 2 plus 3, y equal to 5. And x is equal to 3, and which implies y equal to 6. And x is equal to 4. Y equal to 7, 5, y equal to 8, and as x is equal to 6 is taken, y equal to 9. When we take x is equal to 7, which implies y equal to 10, 7 plus 3, 10, and take x is equal to 8, y equal to 11, and x is equal to 9 is taken, y equal to 12. Now look at here. Only 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 9 elements present in y. These 3 is not present in y. So now in the arrow diagram, representation of arrow diagram. These are the elements present in X. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in Y we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. X and Y contains equal elements from natural number set. Now 1 follows 4, so 1, 4, and 2 follows 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. We take x is equal to 6, y equal to 9. That's all. In the y we have only 9 elements. So 7, 8, 9. For 7, 8, 9 we don't have any images in y. So we can left these three numbers. This is the respective arrow diagram from x to y. And next one is a graph. So here we have pairs 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. These three is not included because 10, 11, 12 not present in y. So in a graph we should list out these pairs. The pairs are 1, 4. I am taking the values here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is x-axis, this is the origin, and here we have y-axis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. And 1, 4, plotting 1 and 4 here, 1, 4, this is 1, 4, and then 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 3 and 6, 3, 6 here, and 4, 7, 4 to 7, 4, 7, and then 5, 8, 5 and 8, 5, 8, then 6, 9, 6, 9. So this is our required graph. And then set in roster form, C. So roster form. The roster form, we have the pairs which are plotted here 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. This is a respective roster form. A company has 4 categories of employees. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistant A, clerks C, managers M, and an executive officer E. The company provide rupees 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salary to the people who work in the categories A, C, M and E respectively. If A1 and A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers, and E1, E2, E3, E1 and E2 were executive officers, and if the relation R is defined by X related to Y, where X is the salary given to the person Y, express the relation R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. Given the company, there are 5 assistants named A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and 4 clerks C1, C2, C3, C4 and 3 managers M1, M2, M3 and 2 executive officers E1 and E2. They are named like this way. The persons are named by A1, A2, A3, 4, A5, C1 to C4, M1 to M3 and E1, E2. Now the respective salaries given to them are 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh to each, mentioned the right side. Now the relation is defined from salary to the persons. So this is taken as X and this is taken as Y. The relation is salary to the persons is defined. So the respective ordered pair is for 10,000 given to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So 10,000 with these 5 persons we can create 5 ordered pairs, that is 10,000 A1, 10,000 A2, 10,000 A3, 10,000 A4, 10,000 A5. and then 25,000 given to the clerks 1, 2, 3, 4. So 25,000 with the C1, 25,000 with C2, 25,000 C3, 25,000 with the C4, and 50,000 given to the managers M1 and M3. So 50,000 M1, 50,000 M2, 50,000 M3, and 1 lakh given to 2 executive officers, 1 lakh to E1 and 1 lakh E2. This is the recorded set of ordered pairs. Now we should, for arrow diagram, it is different from x to y. The relation is from x to y. So the x values are taken here. They are 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. And the persons are written here. That is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And for clerks C1, C2, C3, C4, there are 4 clerks. And managers M1, M2, M3. And for executive officers E1 and E2. Now the set of ordered pairs are 10,000 to A1, A2, A3, A4. So A1 follows 10,000 follows A1, 10,000 follows A2, 10,000 follows A3, 10,000 follows A4 and 10,000 to A5, and then 25,000 to C1, C2, C3, C4. So 25,000 to C1, C2, C3, C4. For 50,000 given to managers, this is M1 and M2 and M3. This is given to managers, and for 1 lakh given to executive officers for E1 and E2. So this is our respective arrow diagram to the given information.